Why does your scanner show the P1554 engine code? What does it mean? P1554 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position sensor (TPS) or idle air control (IAC) issue. This engine code indicates that an issue with the idle speed control throttle position basic setting or a problem with the VANOS variable valve timing system, particularly a sticking VANOS solenoid. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Throttle position sensor issues, idle air control system issues, VANOS system issues, other potential causes, wiring and connection problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.